My name is Rebecca Milhorn. I'm a junior at ETSU. My major is in public health with a minor in family studies. This is my first semester in the College of Public Health, and in front of me is a UNICEF refugee camp, and to the side of me is the McPherson Street Station that emphasizes homelessness in the United States. Being in the College of Public Health and being out here at Valleybrook has been incredibly beneficial to learn about team building, just making connections with people, and then getting my hands dirty and doing things that I never expected that I would. We've learned to make adobe brick, we've made rope, and we're in the process of making a water filtration system as well, which is incredibly beneficial for just public health in general. So everyone in my cohort is really looking forward to working with the Urban Garden, and we really hope that you'll consider donating some money to the College of Public Health.